racing just is started. We have Burgundy break quickly at the start. Pangani Boy moving up on the outside. Good job down on the inside. Now is Shuttler's Shogun also showing speed. And then followed her by Loretta Invincible Link. Then next online from is Mirabal Panahuna, while Adhika in this the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, we have Shogun by about half length down on the inside. Burgundy 3 lengths further back in third. Loretta, fine performer. Alongside comes Good Job. Invincible Link comes next. Shuttler's Treasure. Promise comes next. Pangani Boy, Mirabal, Adhika in, while Panahon na. Now racing in less inside the threads octavo. We have Burgundy Shogun in second. Moving up now on the outside. Good Job down on the inside. Fine performer. Loretta comes next. Shuttler's Treasure. Promise is running by the rail. Then comes Invincible Link. Mirabal. Then next online now is Adhika in. Then Pangani Boy, while Panahon na. Now racing in less as they swing for home. Walong shot. Burgundy still out in front by about 2 lengths. Moving up down on the inside. Mirabal. Good Job. Shuttler's Treasure. Promise last 75 meters. Good Job. Mirabal in the middle portion to take the lead. And finally Mirabal close. Adhika in. Good Job. Burgundy. Then comes Shuttler's Treasure and Promise for your Super 6.
Nangangamoy.
Oo. Biglang ganun.